After 15 months long agitation, the day of farmers' Ghar Wapsi has arrived. Protesting farmers brought the curtains down on their year-long agitation today and began to vacate the protest sites at the Tikri and Singhu borders. The Samyukt Kisan Morcha, the umbrella union of various farmers' unions, conducted a victory march and headed back home. Farmers are packing their tents and bags at Singhu and Tikri borders as batches of farmers leave the protest sites. As farmers make their way home, the borders have been flooded with tractors, leading to traffic jams. Farm leader Rakesh Tikait has said that one lane of the Ghazipur border will be opened by tomorrow, and by December 16, the entire border would be free. On Thursday, the Samyukt Kisan Morcha had announced that the agitation has been suspended following the centre's promise of fulfilling their demands. However, farmers have warned that they will return if the centre backtracks from its promise.
A year-long agitation of the farmers has now finally culminated, and Kisans all across Punjab are going back to their villages. There is happiness, there is sadness as well as, but the struggle of the agitation has been immense at this moment. I'll just speak to a few people. पूछना चाहूंगी आप लोगों से कि कितना समय आप लोगों को अभी लग सकता है सिंघू से निकलने में पूरे तरीके से?
सिंघू से निकलने में 3-4 घंटे लगेंगे सिंघू से बाहर निकलने में, और पंजाब की एंट्री करने के लिए हमें आज शाम रात 11-12 बजे बज जाएंगे।
और क्या डीजे बजाते हुए आप लोग जा रहे हैं?
ये हमारा अमृतसर तक का प्लान है। अमृतसर मत्था टेकने जा रहे हैं हम सारे। 3 दिन में पहुंचेंगे वहाँ पे।
अच्छा।
3
दिन आप ऐसे जाएंगे?
3 दिन ऐसे ही जाएंगे हम।
कितना सामान लोड किया आपने ट्रक में?
जो सामान हमारा पीछे ट्रक ट्राले आ रहे हैं, सारे आ रहे हैं पीछे हमारे, वो देख सकते हो, वो पीछे आ रहे हैं।
पीछे भी यहाँ पे जो ट्रॉले वगैरह हैं वो आते जा रहे हैं। The entire stretch of Singhu border, if I should tell you, remained blocked for almost a year, and now that whole stretch is being opened somehow because farmers feel it has a sense of victory, and therefore this victory is what they are taking back with them, along with the sadness of leaving those that they stayed in the agitation with. And these are moments of historic importance that may not happen ever in future. With Ziauddin, this is Milan Sharma reporting for India Today.
The victory march of the farmers has started from different borders of Delhi. Right now we are at Singhu border, where the farmers are now heading towards their homes. But the langars which ensured that the agitation at the borders of Delhi continues without any interruption, continues even on the day when the farmers are heading towards their homes. And you could see people are still lining up with their plates. And it's not just the farmers who are lining up in the queues to get food, but also the residents of the local area at Singhu border. I'll just show you the visuals as to how these langars are still operational. Tomorrow, in most likelihood, majority of the farmers will withdraw, will take off their herds and head towards home. But the scene at the of the langars at Singhu border is like this. They are a well-oiled machinery which is still operational, and they are still cooking food for people, for farmers, and in most likelihood, majority of the farmers will be able to leave Singhu border only by tomorrow, and that is the reason the organizers of langars are still working continuously. They are making rotis, rice, dal, everything to ensure that nobody remains hungry. People are happy, but they are also emotional. The day when farmers are heading towards their homes, the langar at Singhu border and different borders of Delhi continues, and with smile on their faces, and a couple of people also have tears in their eyes. That's how they are saying goodbye to the farmers who are leaving the borders of Delhi. With video journalist Ankit Khandelwal, this is Amit Bhardwaj for India Today from Singhu border.
After 378 days, farmers are winding up from the Ghazipur border. The policemen who have kept a vigilant watch on these farmers over the past 378 days, they are still waiting here, and now they are watching the farmers go back home. At the Ghazipur border, the face of the protest was Rakesh Tikait, and he has said that even though these structures are being brought down and farmers are making their way back home, the protest is still on. The agitation is still on, in the sense that on the 15th of January, the Sanयुkt Kisan Morcha will have a review meeting in the national capital, and if the farmers feel the government is going back on its promises, then they will once again return to the various borders. However, for now, these permanent structures which were built by the farmers, those structures are now being brought down. See, you'll be able to see, all the bamboo sticks, all the teen sheds, all of them are now being brought down. The farmers say the process will begin today. It might take a couple of days for the entire stretch to be vacant. However, the process has started, and farmer leaders are saying they will review whether government sticks to its promises or not. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting from the Ghazipur border with camera person Ankit.
आंदोलन से संघर्ष से समाधान की तरफ गए और समाधान होकर घर की तरफ जा रहे हैं, तो एक खुशी है उनको। अगले महीने की 15 जनवरी को एक मीटिंग है, उसमें एसकेएम के सभी लोग उसमें आएंगे और पूरा वर्क आउट करा जाएगा कि सरकार से समझौता आया उसमें क्या क्या हुआ, और जब तक उनके पास में भी टाइम है